Hi, this is Kat with the OSU Museum of Art, and I'm here to teach you how to use the Stop Motion Studio app. And I'm going to be showing you some features that you can use. So let's get to it. I'm going to start sharing my phone screen with you so I can teach you through it. And also, welcome to Second Saturdays. This is my first tutorial for Second Saturdays. So inside your Second Saturday activity pack, we included some felt and a pair of scissors. And your challenge is to create a 10-second long stop motion animated film using these materials. So when you get your pack, open up your felt, look at the colors that you got. I'm doing this with one hand, that's why. And brainstorm with the colors that you received a set of motion that it's going to happen in your stop motion film. For beginners, for first time users, I always recommend to do it in just one motion, like something that it's going to be moving across the background. So whether are waves or a bird flying, or for example, I'm going to show you, I decided that my storyline would be a sun and a few clouds that are going to be moving towards the sun, and then at the very end I made some rain droplets because I also want to make some rain as well. So now I'm sharing with you my cell phone screen. So go on the App Store and get your free Stop Motion Studio app. I already have mine, so I can just open. Okay, then you click on New Movie. And it's really easy to use, very user-friendly. So tap here to start taking your pictures. So one thing is a little bit hard is that I do not have a stand for my cell phone. I know many of you may not have a stand. So you may want to work in partners, so one person holds the camera and the other person clicks on the pictures. Another feature I'm going to show you that I'm going to use right now that's going to make my life a little bit easier, it's the little on the right corner, the little clock icon. So you can choose a timer. So you can take pictures every 3 seconds, every 5 seconds, however you want. I'm going to try every 5 seconds and see how that goes. So you're just going to move little by little, and it's going to keep taking pictures. The cool thing about stop motion, it's really to slow down and enjoy the process rather than trying to finish really fast. Okay, I'm going to stop right now, so I just click on the recording button. And you can press play to see what you have. Oh, so it is working out. I love it when I see it, the results, even as little as this. It's really kind of fun. It's kind of like magic. Another feature that we have is here on the left side is that I can use this sort of bar to show me what image was there before. So the one that is transparent, it's where my image was before. So for example, you want to have some water or go somewhere, you can come back and see where the things go before, and I can match it a little bit. So right now I have about 53 photos, and I'm gonna see how it's playing. So I have to go back with the arrow, like get out of the taking pictures, and then I press the play button. I noticed that I have a hand on an image, so I made a mistake, and I can fix that. So here is that frame that I don't want, and I can just delete. You can also, there's other features that you can see there. You can insert a camera, so if you want to add more pictures somewhere, cut, copy, edit. You can also add audio, although I think you have to pay for these features. Oh, but it does have sound effects, and I think those are free. But like themes, oh, no, you would have to pay 99 cents, which I never have. But you can record. So if you press the recording microphone on the left right here, you're able to record yourself or record any music that you're playing on the background too for your stop motion. So that's why I like knowing where the image was before so I can match it. My timer is already set. Here's my rain droplets. So I have 102 frames. So I'm gonna go back and press play. See what I have. Aww, love the raindrops. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you want to slow down or make it faster, you can click on the left corner, this round icon, and you can change your FPS, which is frames per second. Professional stop motion animators use 24 frames per second. That's really fast. I can see how mine goes with that, which looks great, but it only gives me about 4 seconds. So I actually had mine set originally to 10 frames per second, which is usually what I ask students to do. And that's gonna give me a 10-second movie. So thank you for participating on Second Saturdays and enjoying this tutorial with me.